In today's video, you'll learn how to connect your Ecwid store to your Wix website. This integration allows you to manage your products and store data from Ecwid while displaying everything directly on your Wix site. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your browser and log in to your Ecwid account. Once you're inside the Ecwid control panel, you'll see the main dashboard where your store settings, products, and orders are managed. From the top menu, look for the Apps section. When you hover over it, a small menu will appear with options like App Market, My Apps, and Custom Development. Click on App Market. This is where you can find different tools and integrations that work with Ecwid. Inside the App Market, use the search bar and type Wix. Once the results appear, find the Wix integration app and open it. This app allows Ecwid to connect with your Wix website so both platforms can work together. Now click on the option to install or connect the app. After that, you'll be redirected to the Wix website. On the Wix page, simply click Add to Site. This step connects your Wix account with your Ecwid store. Once the integration is complete, your store data will start syncing. This means your products, categories, and other store information from Ecwid can be displayed directly on your Wix website. One of the biggest advantages of this setup is that you can manage your online store through Ecwid while still using Wix's powerful website builder to design your pages, customize your layout, and control your branding. So instead of building your store from scratch on Wix, you can simply connect Ecwid and instantly bring your existing store into your Wix site. After everything is connected, you can start customizing how your store appears on your website, add products, and manage orders all from your Ecwid dashboard. And that's how you add Ecwid to a Wix website and connect your online store. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.